Hi YouTube, it's me Luke again, and I'm on my workbench right now. So I'm going to be showing you how to make a Nerf, a airsoft gun out of a Nerf gun. So what you will need is the Nerf Reflex. I actually got this from one of my friends. And yeah, it just sucks at shooting, so yeah, I just made it into an airsoft gun. And you're going to want to have a bullet, but you're going to want to tear off the top. As you can see, this is tore off. And you will need a mechanical pencil, just like this one, where you could take off all of the parts, and you can also use it's called a pin that you can take off all the parts. I recommend a mechanical pencil. So what you're going to do, you're going to take off all the parts of the what's it called, mechanical pencil, and you're going to want to get the bullet and insert the mechanical pencil inside, and you're going to run it until it goes all the way out, and then put it right inside of there. And as you can see, it's pretty powerful. So yeah, it's really powerful. So what I'm going to, and you're not going to want BBs, some copperhead BBs. Don't do that because I messed up on that. So I got my airsoft gun. I took the clip out of it, and I took some BBs out of it, or some airsoft bullets out of it, and you're going to want to stick the airsoft bullet inside to the right inside of here, and you want to cock it. And then I'm going to be shooting it right at that drawing board. Whoa, I didn't shoot it because the BB fell out. So y'all are here the thing. So well, I'm actually going to be shooting it at the couch, but So, yeah. So you probably won't be able to see it, but I'll shoot it. I can't really show y'all at all. Well, yeah, I guess I can show y'all. Right there, I'm going to be shooting it right at that thing, that white thing. So y'all are here. Y'all are here whenever it shoots. Okay, so I just now shot the BB, or the airsoft bullet. Here it is. This is the airsoft BB. So I'm going to shoot it, see how far it shoots. Yes, I did just fart. So yeah, that's the end of my video. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and like. Bye.